Hey folks, Kelbob here from All True Solution. I'm here at the 2018 Bixie show, and I'm going to do a review on the Bird scooter. You know, you see these in all the metro areas. It's an inexpensive way to get around, and so I downloaded the app last night. There's two companies here in San Antonio. One is Bird and one is Lime. I chose the Bird because it has a kind of a wider footprint, and I'm 55 years old and my bones might be a little more brittle. But anyways, you download the app, you basically scan the barcode on the top of the scooter, and that unlocks it. Costs you $1 to unlock it, and then it's 15 cents a minute after that. And then you just kick start it 3 times, and then there's an accelerator right here, and you sort of get the pedal thing going, and off to the races you go. So these things will get to cooking pretty good. Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Kelbob, All True Solution. We solve problems for business altruistically. Hey, we're having a blast down here. A lot of good vendors. A great show. I'm learning a lot. Stay tuned for more videos from 2018 Bixie show, San Antonio. Watch out for that wall.